Do you try to speak English every day? What stops you from speaking English confidently? Are you ready to speak one sentence in English today? Can you talk about your day in English? Have you ever watched English movies with subtitles? Do you read English storybooks or articles? Can you try speaking English with your friends? Do you practice English at home with your family? How do you feel when you speak English in class? Have you joined any English speaking group? Do you repeat English sentences after your teacher? Can you use new English words in your own sentences? Do you try to think in English? Have you recorded your voice speaking English? Do you use English learning apps on your phone? Do you write a diary or journal in English? Are you afraid of making mistakes in English? Do you know it's okay to speak slowly in English? Can you ask questions in English during class? Do you try to learn 5 new English words daily?